Hello everybody, my name is D-A-M-O-N, that spells Damon, and welcome. Today we will be unboxing Evolution Climate, the Conversion Kit. So this is an expansion pack I've been wanting to get for a while now, and me and my grandma just got it from Blue Sky Hobbies. So there's the description right there, and here's some of the trait cards that we get along with the climate board. So, yeah, BRB. Alright guys, so the wrapping is off now, and we shall open this guy now. I'm opening it for the very first time. Nice and clean. Booyah. Here we have the rulebook. So that'll tell me more about how to use this conversion of Evolution Climate. These are a little, ooh! New player aids! Shit, so we get like a couple, about 2, 4, 5, 6. It's awesome. Put those over there. The knife. This little thing. The game is big. Oh! Oh snap, is it out now? Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna hold on to that. I didn't realize the game was out now, so these must be the pieces of the climate board. So, this one's pretty cool, I guess. The piece. Cool beans, cool beans. These are some of the new cards, the new trait cards. And then we got whatever these cards are. And then we got these new markers here, along with this little marker. So I will unwrap the card packs here in a little bit, so see you then. Alright guys, I'm back, and I just got done unwrapping both of these decks, so we'll take a look at these. We have defensive herding. These are new updated defensive herdings. So now they prevent 1 population loss due to cold. So that's really cool. So now defensive herding cards have been updated to feature that. And then we got heavy fur. Prevent 4 population loss due to cold. Increase population loss due to heat by 1. So that's interesting. New climate card. Then we have Hibernation. Prevent 1 population loss due to cold. When determining if the species is hungry, you may ignore up to 2 unfed population. That's cool. That's a new, it's an other/climate card. We have Migratory. Prevent 1 population loss due to heat/cold. After the last species has fed for the round, take 2 plant food from the food bank if the watering hole has no food. So that was a feeding/climate card. This one's a defensive/climate card. Mud wallowing. Prevent 1 population loss due to heat. A carnivore must discard a card to attack the species. Pretty cool beans. These are all the new trait cards, by the way. This is Nocturnal. Prevent 1 population loss due to heat. Before each of your feeding turns, feed the species if there are no carnivores that could eat it. So that was a feeding / climate card. So that was the trait deck. All the new trait cards. So that's cool. I was hoping to get some updated versions of burrowing in there, but I guess not. So then we got... Oh, I almost tripped and fell over my Chromebook. Fuck me. Anyways, so we got these cards. I'll have to read about these cards. This is Meteorite. Don't add food to the watering hole this round. And for the rest of the game... What? It's crazy. Alright, so then we got... Volcanic Eruption. After the feeding phase is over, move the climate marker to Ice Age. So we got another Volcanic Eruption. After the feeding phase is over, move the climate marker to Cold. And we got Heat Wave. Got a bunch of heat waves. Alright, so these are like climatic events. We got Cold Snap. We got a bunch of cold snaps. Got another Volcanic Eruption. After the feeding phase is over, move the climate marker to Freezing. Cool beans. We have Glacial Thaw. Place this card in the watering hole to modify the climate movement next round. We got another Meteorite card. Don't add food to the watering hole this round and for the rest of the game. Yeah, we just got a whole bunch of these cards, you guys. We got Wildfire. -1 population for species without burrowing. Don't add food to the watering hole until after the feeding phase is over. Let's see here. We have Desertification. Don't add food to the watering hole this round. All species the body size greater than 1 lose 1 body size. Dang. Got a bunch more heat wave cards. Got a bunch more cold snaps. Oh, and then we got a bunch of new trait cards here. Ambush. Okay, so these are all the updated trait cards. We got all the updated ambushes. See, yeah, we did get a newer version of burrowing. That's a climate card as well. Prevent 1 population loss due to heat / cold. The species can only be attacked if it is hungry. Defensive trait when attacking a species of migratory. Huh. Interesting. So Ambush got updated as well. Very interesting. And we got a bunch of new carnivore cards. Along with the alternate artwork for carnivore. Got a lot of carnivore cards. We got Cooling Frills. See, we got another kind of climate card. Prevent free population loss due to heat, +2 body size when determining if this species can be attacked. Cool beans. So it's a defensive / climate trait. I got a bunch of more defensive herding cards. Then we go straight back to these cards. I'm not sure these are event cards or if these are considered Ice Age cards or something, but or climate cards. I'm not sure. So yeah, guys, this has been Evolution, the climate conversion kit. So yeah, see you guys around in the next one. Bye bye.